Greetings. On behalf of New Research and Innovation Society, I invite you all to the International Conference on Recent Advances in Science, Technology, Engineering, Management, and Social Science. This conference is organized by New Rens in association with Addis Ababa Science and Technology University, Ethiopia, and Karpaga Vinayaga College of Engineering and Technology, India. Also, this conference is supported by Right Click Singapore. This 3-day conference is to be held between 6th and 8th October 2023. This conference has keynote and invited speakers from various countries and leading organizations of India. The organizing committee has received over 300 papers from all over the world, including Russia, Singapore, Malaysia, Uzbekistan, and Central Africa. We believe that the deliberations in this conference will take the young researchers to the next level. I am happy to note that New Rens has planned to present Best Paper Awards for all the sessions. The conference is supported by various journal partners across the world. The conference themes include basic sciences, engineering, pharmacy, management, and social science. The technical committee has observed a great innovation from researchers in efforts to solve real-time problems through technologies like artificial intelligence. Best wishes. Let's meet at the conference.